Hi, everybody. It is Sasha again with Loft47, playing with the MCP server that we launched about 10 days ago. We're getting tons of good ideas. This one was actually built by one of our staff who is just an absolute rock star, Grace. And this took a total of 2 hours, but it really highlights what is possible for users of Loft47 who want to use the MCP to maybe bolster a workflow or change something that they're doing. So you can utilize all the functionality in Loft to build some really unique and independent almost applications outside of it. So in this demo today, again, this was built in 2 hours. And what we're trying to do with this is make it a compliance dashboard, if you will. So it's going to flag things that are high risk, and it's a little more interactive. So this isn't just a report. This could be a hub of how an administrator is going to be able to start their day and work through the most high value items first. So if you take a look here, we have an overview. We have some deals that are at risk, and we have some closing within 14 days, whatever you want this to be. So just remember to let your imagination run wild, because you can really do anything here. We took an example from a Canadian brokerage, and we use this example because we have something in Canada that is called FinTrack, really, really high risk. Because you need to make sure that that's updated. So we took something like that might be of high value to your brokerage. It could be anything, and it could change area by area. So if there's something that you particularly want to track, this is a good demo for that. And you can just imagine that you can call it whatever you want it to be, or what you might flag as high value. So we've just loaded in some dummy deals here. But here's your little overview. And you can head down to deals to see all of the details. So when you're clicking on this, of course, you can filter through some. You can search through the agents. Again, these are fake deals that we've created. So you can kind of see the overview of the deal. You can see the document progress. How far through are you for all the requirements? In Loft, you can just set up a type of requirement that's applicable to certain kinds of deals or whatnot. So we don't run on checklists necessarily. We just have really flexible requirement types that will just be either populated as required or not, just depending on the deal, whether it's the side of the deal or the type of deal it is. Lots of different options there. So you'll see from Loft47 what was created as required, and you'll see the current state of that in Loft47. And you can see here that in this example, we've highlighted FinTrack as the thing that they want to track the most. We also built in something that you could do, like create a risk score. So if you, as a compliance officer, or if you're reviewing something and you see that something is high risk, or you're concerned about something, you can update this. Let's say, hey, we want to mark that as a 50. Of course, you can have whatever metrics that you'd like in there. It's going to create a broker alert. Okay. And then what's really great about this is we also have some of the functionality in Loft. So we're replicating some of that, like sending out requirements or updates to your agents. But this is also, again, built in 2 hours. You can open this up and draft an email to your agent. That's just going to take a minute to do that. It's got some of the basics in here, and it's really kind of summarizing where everything is at. So you don't have to do any of the typing. You can click to add an email and send that off because it's connected to your Gmail. Okay. So that's a great functionality. You can see it's tracking all the emails here. It's tracking the deals that are high risk as well. And you can also generate a daily pulse. I've already done this, but you can just generate one at any time. So it's giving you a portfolio snapshot. What's in the pipeline? What is high risk right now? And top 3 actions for today. So again, just really, like, the sky is the limit with what you can build using this MCP server. This is just one idea. Reach out to us if you want to build something similar. Like maybe there's a workflow that you don't love, that you see a way to build that slightly better. Reach out to us. We're happy to help. We're building these. And again, everything is taking 20 minutes, a couple hours to do. So we're happy to help out if you're interested in building that kind of stuff. And again, our beta is open. If you would like to use our MCP, please just reach out.